Right, hi. Due to an act of complete stupidity on my part, I've managed to break my Jag. So a friend of mine's very kindly lent me his Mercedes, and I thought to repay his act of generosity, I'd sort out his very opaque headlamps. So I'm going to show you how you do it without buying a load of complicated gear. Doesn't cost much. First thing I'm going to do, lift the bonnet. I'm just going to mask around the body so I don't catch any bodywork while I'm doing it. Next thing, I've got a bucket of hot soapy water and some 1500 grade wet and dry. I'm just going to sand the headlamps down until I've got a nice smooth surface on them. Although it's still opaque, you can see how much less yellow it is. It's actually gone whitish, not yellow. Now I'm going to go over them with a sheet of 2000 wet and dry and give them another sand down. Now it's looking much better already. Still tiny bit opaque, but that's because it needs a polish, but it's not yellow anymore. I'm going to try and prove that you don't need a polisher. You can do it with a tin of tea cut, a rag and a bit of hard work. But obviously if you've got a polisher, which I have, it's a lot easier. But we'll try it by hand on the top first of all and see how it comes out. So I'll move this around here and we'll put it on the top of the headlamp and I'll see what I can get with a bit of tea cut. And I think you can see that just goes to prove that you don't need an expensive polisher. That bit's come up good as gold, just with a hand rub and a bit of tea cut. But as I have got a polisher, I'm going to go over the rest of them with a polisher. And that's it. One crystal clear headlamp. Took about 5-10 minutes to do and it looks like brand new. Now you can leave it like this and put a coat of polish over it, or you can make sure it's nice and clean and shoot a coat of clear lacquer over it, which will seal it for a while. But I think these have come up so well, counting how yellow it was, that I'm going to leave it like that because that looks absolutely perfect.